Hello guys, we're back to an unboxing. We are unboxing a Funkopop today, and we're gonna be unboxing Spongebob SquarePants, and these are the figures right here. You can get Man Ray and SpongeBob SquarePants. He's doing his viral face right here. So let's get to unboxing. Ava. Crap. Leave. Here we go. Here he is. You can see the details. His hat is bended forward. You can see it right here. And he's doing his viral face, and he's doing his little thing. I don't know, Ava, how do you? Okay. We both don't know, so okay. So that's pretty much all of it, and and so bye bye guys. Bye bye.